Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation we are talking about introducing each other at a hostel. For studies or if you are working, you stay in a hostel away from home. And how do you feel? You feel very sad. Till you get on to your studies and work, you feel a bit homesick. So what happens? What conversation occurs at the hostel? That's what we are looking at. So lots of friends meet, or you have a friend, and your friends take you there and say, "Hi friends, I am Mary." And you say, "Meet this person, meet that person," and so on. Okay. Introducing your at the hostel. "Hi friends, I am Mary." Hi. You're introducing yourself. "Hi friends. Hi friends. I am. Oh, my name is Mary. I am Mary. I'm Mary. How do you do? How? How do? How do you do? Or how are you? Hi friends, I'm Mary. How are you? How are you faring the hostel? Then your friends say, "Mary, Mary, meet Sam. Mary, meet Sam. He is my brother. He is my brother." Okay? So Mary is meeting Sam. "Mary, meet Sam. He's my brother." Then, "Glad to meet you, Sam." So Mary says, "Glad." Or Mary will say, "Oh, I'm so happy I met you, Sam." Or, "I'm so happy I have a good friend in the hostel." Glad. "Glad to meet you, Sam." Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you, Sam. Then Sam says, "Good to meet you, Mary. Good to have met you. To have met you, Mary. Good to have met you, Mary. You are a pretty lady. You are." He's complimenting Mary here. "You are a pretty lady." "Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam," says Mary. "All right. What do you think of Sri Lanka? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think of Sri Lanka?" "It is a nice place." So Mary says, "It is a very, very nice place. It's a very nice one." They're all in a Sri Lankan hostel at Sri Lanka. Okay. "It's a very nice place. But I feel homesick. I feel homesick." Mary's missing all her family members, parents, brothers, sisters. Sam, we all feel homesick. Sam, we all feel homesick. We all feel homesick. First, we all feel homesick. First few days, we all feel homesick. First few days. Okay? First few days. As we get into our studies, it will improve. As we get into our studies, it will improve. It will improve. So friends are talking. We are feeling homesick, feeling sad away from home. But as we study along, as the days go by, feel better. Why? We are collected friends. Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. Yes, Mary. I hope. Yes, Mary. I hope to meet. I hope to meet some good friends. I hope to meet some good friends who will help me through. Mary, I hope to meet some good friend who will help me through. Who will help me through in studies. Sam, after few weeks, after few weeks, you will feel better. After few weeks, you will feel better. You know? Thanks, Mary. I hope so. Thanks, Mary. I hope so. And that's it. So, friends meeting in a hostel. They introduce each other, make friends before they settle down for their work or studies. And here they have got into a hostel at Sri Lanka, a beautiful place. And here friends are introducing each other. Let's read what I have here for you. Hi friends, I am Mary. How do you do? Mary, meet Sam. He is my brother. Glad to meet you, Sam. Good to have met you, Mary. You are a pretty lady. Thank you, Sam. What do you think of Sri Lanka? It is a very nice place, but I feel homesick. Sam, we all feel homesick first few days. As we get into our studies, it will improve. Yes, Mary, I hope to meet some good friends who will help me through in studies. Sam, after a few weeks, you will feel better, you know. Thanks, Mary. I hope so.